no, it was a lot better than the Vuelta last year. A lot more manageable for me. And, no, I was getting better and better throughout, despite everything that happened with the crashes and the injury, and was able to remain healthy throughout the entire race and come better through the last week. The last 2 days were pretty ridiculous. Had like 15 hours on the bike in 2 days and more than 16,000 calories in 2 days. It was just like a little bit too much, but
what's your weight
learned a lot, and I've lost a lot of weight. Like 3 kilos, I think I've lost. I'm down to 82 or so. But I could, could still lose more, and I'm looking forward to the bump that this gives me. Because it's definitely gonna change me as a biker.
Le prossime corse adesso